In this short video, I'll show you how to create Pinterest account for your business. Today, I create an Pinterest account for my squadseo website. Okay. First you need to go business Pinterest. Click on sign up. For paid ad campaign, you can also create ad campaign here, create ad section. I will show you later. Okay. Email address. Choose and password. Then create account. Select your country here. Okay, it's okay for me, Bangladesh. Then click next. The name of your business, SEO service. And this is my local service, not local service provider. Then next, website link. If you have an website, then you can add here. If you do not have, then just later. I have. Next, connect your account. Okay, I just avoid this time. Later. Right, interesting. Here you select your related topic. My related topic. Okay, you can also change later it. Then I just this is a good extension. I will show you later for this extension tutorial. Now escape this program. See, my website all images here already show. Okay, almost done. I add my first pin. Let's see how I e-commerce SEO title. add some description. Then place your product or service place or anything you link here. Then now I have no board, so I create a board. Create board. The name of this board is e-commerce SEO. Create and publish. This is my first pin. Board, pin. If you want to edit your profile, just go here, edit setting. About your profile. Location. Done set. Now if you want to add a new pin, then create this section. Create pin. Simple, just simple section. Add title, description here, add destination link, then publish. Okay, if you face any problem, feel free to let me know. I sure help you. Thank you guys.